Okay, so looking at the Mobiscribe pen that comes with a wave, it's more like a pencil. It's nice that it has an eraser on the end that you can just, press with the eraser and erase. That's cool. I like that. But one thing I noticed that was a slight surprise to me is that compared to many other pens I've used on Samsung devices, Microsoft devices over the years, it seems to take more pressure. I have to press harder than I would expect on many other devices to get equally dark lines. So that's the default pen. Now this is the pen for my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, the little guy. The silos into the phone. And with this one, I don't seem to have to press hard at all. I can barely touch the screen and I get light marks, and I can, it's so much easier, so much less pressure to get those dark marks. It's such a difference that it's very noticeable. You have to press far more firmly with the Mobiscribe pen. And just for kicks, because I have one laying around, this is the pen, looks identical, but this is the pen from the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. It also works right out of the box and just very little pressure. I can just write so lightly or firmly with just a little more pressure. So it seems like the Galaxy Note 10 Plus pen requires just a tiny bit more pressure than the S23 Ultra pen. And then the Mobiscribe pen, the Mobiscribe Waves default pen, requires a lot more pressure. Like enough to notice. It's not a make or break situation, but it's enough to notice the difference. You have to press a lot harder to get those dark lines. You can just write, but if you want to write darkly, you have to press much more firmly. As I said, it is nice that you can just turn it over and erase, because with all of the Samsung phone pens, you got a little side button there that you have to hold down